Welcome, traders. In this video, we will provide a quick overview of the Chaos Semafor MOD indicator for MT4. The Chaos Semafor MOD indicator detects potential trend reversal zones using three distinct signals. First, it shows a yellow or red dot for minor swing points, suggesting an early trend reversal. Then, a star appears if the swing occurs in a significant zone. And finally, a box confirms the trend reversal. Red dots, stars, and boxes signal bearish reversals, which are potential sell signals. Yellow dots, stars, and boxes signal bullish reversals, indicating buy opportunities. The three-tier confirmation process allows traders to wait for the box signal to validate the trend before entering a trade. The indicator comes with the following customizable settings. Period 1 sets the period for the dot. Period 2 adjusts the period for the star. Period 3 defines the period for the box. Max bars sets the maximum bars for calculation. Alerts customizable email, sound, and box signal. Alerts to stay updated on key signals. You can download this indicator from the link in the description under the video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.